How to back up WhatsApp messages on iPhone. WhatsApp messages backup is too vital to lose. Here, we will show you 2 ways to back up WhatsApp messages. Part 1. Back up WhatsApp messages on iPhone. Launch WhatsApp on your iPhone. Then go to Settings. Chats. Chat Backup. If the phone connects with Wi-Fi, the backup will be started automatically. Part 2. Backup WhatsApp messages without Wi-Fi. Download AnyTrans on your Mac or PC, then connect your iPhone to computer. Choose Social Messages Manager feature. You will see 3 social apps here. Find backup on the WhatsApp part. Here, you can encrypt your backup on AnyTrans. Then one click to back up all your WhatsApp messages. After backing up, you can restore your messages whenever you want, or you can transfer them from iPhone to iPhone.